Hello friends, this is Teju. Welcome to my channel Teju in the Kitchen. Today we are going to make an easy and simple masala khan. It is a perfect evening snacks and can be done within 5 minutes. Okay, let's get into the recipe. First take a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of steamed sweet corn. Then half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Then Chaat masala half a teaspoon. Requisite salt. One by 4 teaspoon of dried oregano. Two tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix very well. You can adjust the salt and spice level as per your taste. Finally, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Again, mix very well. That's it. Our easy and tasty masala khan is ready. Serve and enjoy. If you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe my channel Teju in the Kitchen. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.